Hello, hello everyone. I am here with the long-awaited number 8 for our something blue 3-ring collection. And these are some of the other ones we've been working on, and they've just been so much fun. And when we're finished with all 10, we're going to put these into some 3-ring binders like this, and then connect them that way. You could also just cut them in half and use them in a journal that you already have. So if you would rather do it that way, that's fine. It's getting to be a pretty thick, fun little journal, so we're having fun. So let's get started with our number 8. I printed everything on the 110-pound cardstock, and I have inked everything and cut everything out. We're kind of ready to rock and roll, so let's just get going. So this one's going to just have a flap here. Remember that when we fold these, this inside edge that has the cut is going to be where we punch our holes. So you'll notice that I keep things away from that edge, and I'll keep them away from this edge as well. So that's why we're doing that. Keep that in mind always, that you're going to be putting 3 hole punches in there. So we're going to put this right up against this edge. I'm using my art glitter glue just because, yeah, this is a cardstock attachment. We're going to want that to stick really nicely. Plenty of glue. And we're just going to put that down. I'm also going to scoot it a little more toward the bottom of the page because we're going to have some fun things sticking out the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and shut that and just make sure that I'm not coming past that fold right there. And just press that down. I really want that hinge to lay flat because, like I said, our journal's getting to be pretty chunky. So we're going to really try to keep it flat. Probably our next 2 I'll cut back on pieces so we can keep it a little better. So this is going to flap open and closed. On this side of it, we have a little belly band, just a simple belly band attachment for this. Making sure I cut that to the right length. And I think I'm gonna keep it a little further out this direction. And I have several options in the journal, and of course you can add extra embellishments, because I have, like, for example, I have bunches of, let's see what would be cute here. Like, I have a bunch of these that are included in this set. I also have a neutral that I printed on the back. I should have mentioned that at the beginning. I always forget that. But I did print a neutral on the back of all of them except for the main page, because you're not going to see that anyway. But if you want to add a little more to these, and I have this faux postcard. Anyway, if you want to add more, go for it. But those are designed to go right inside your belly band in the journal. And next we have these 3 little pockets here. And they're kind of going to blend in this piece here. We're not going to entirely cover it, but it's going to be close because we're scooting it over so that when that closes, they are completely covered up. So we have a small, medium, and a large butterfly. You can put them in any order you want. All right, there we go. And again, if you want to add like a little fun number up here, this will poke out from behind. And keep in mind, remember, we're going to have the 3 hole punches along here, but you can add some different embellishments if you want with the tiny bits that are left over. We have several fun little, just skinny, tall little bits that are going to go into these. I just kind of added a variety. And then we do have 3 that are rectangular if you wanted to do like one down in the middle as well. Just however you want it. You can add, like I have little numbers if you want to put an extra thing on them, or you can even create like a little tab up top like this to tuck that in, so that'll just make it easier to pull right out of there. I have a lot that are smaller sized like that just for that purpose. We'll do one on this one too. Or you could cut, just punch a hole in or whatever you want. And I did that pattern so it would kind of bring out that pattern. Anyway, I thought everything out as well as I could, trying not to make it too thick. I think what we'll end up doing is just paper clipping that one shut up top, so keep that in mind. And I think I want like a number on this. I think I want it over here. I'm just gonna give that a really good push down. And there you go. So there's the first one. I have an extra one of these, just a blank one, and I left that in case you wanted to do like a turn your page into a pocket and just have a thing to pull up here. I'm not gonna do it just because mine's getting too thick, but that's why it's there. And there's some extra things to embellish on it if you want to do something fun, like, you know, just deck it out a little bit more. But I'm going to leave it like that for now. All right, let's move on to our other page. Now, this is another one of our side pull pockets. I think it's how I folded it, but my edges here are coming just a tad over the top of that. So I'm just going to trim those down just a bit. I think it's just where I folded the paper. So you might not need to do that, but if you find that that's sticking out over the edge, then that's why. And it's easy peasy to just trim that down. It won't affect anything. All right, so gluing our pocket on. All right, now keep in mind we have our 3-hole punch. So I'm going to come here and glue further in to prevent myself from letting tags and stuff get tucked too far in there and get punched, because the hole punch will be along this edge here. Right along here is where we're punching. So that's why I glued up a little bit higher, just to keep my tags from getting too deep into that and then getting punched into place. We don't want that. Now, these can actually stick out of the pocket because this will be on the outside edge of our journal. So it's okay if our tags are sticking out. Now there are a lot. Let me show you, I've got 5, because we did one of these before, but we did a big tag, and now we're doing one with several little tags. So keep in mind that that's why it's a little bit of a different project. And I'm just gluing on a few extra little notes and numbers just for fun. You could, again, add some pulls with them. If you wanted to just like fold one of these in half and use it as a little pull, that would be cute. I'm gonna find my shortest one. It looks like this is it. So I'm just gonna come down here and add a little extra pull up top. So I'm just giving you some extra ideas on how to use some of these cute little numbers that we have. And really, you can just do whatever you want. There's plenty of extra in this kit if you want to add some extra embellishments, even on the back, because these are journal cards. So you can add extra back there too if you want. But anyway, now these go layered in here, and it's just gonna kind of look helter-skelter on this edge, popping up in different places. And that was kind of the look we were going for, was just something that's a little bit different. A lot of cute, different kinds of patterns. Scooting them over. There. So look how cute that is. So that'll be sticking out of your journal. You can tuck them in further if you want, but I like them kind of poking out the side of the journal. So that's what that one's gonna do. And we of course need our fussy cut. I have a couple options so you can kind of play around and pick. You could add some lace. Lots and lots of fun options with this one. And we have a little, let's see, do I want it registered? Or I think I want approved, because then it won't cover so much. All right. There we go. And we have some leftover pieces. That's okay. You can find a place or just save them for another project. But this is where we're at right now. So I will show you. First we have our side tuck pocket with all of our cute things. We'll be punching along here, so keep in mind we might punch through our butterfly wing, but that's okay. Just not moving parts. We don't want to punch through things like the tags that are going to need to come in and out. So side tuck with a bunch of cute tags tucked in there. And then we flip that over and we have this fold out page with our cute belly band. Oh, do you know what I forgot? I forgot my belly band. I have this cute thing to go on my belly band. I'm just trying to do it on here because then hopefully I can get closer to the edges. But there we go. Cute little belly band. Let's see, I'm wondering if I can add that and just make sure that I'm not gluing it to the tags that are coming in and out. There we go. That's fun. Okay, so we have on this one our belly band and then our 3 little pockets with tiny itty bitty tags for journaling and just cute little cards. So that is number 8. I hope you love it and stay tuned. We're working on 9 and 10 and we're gonna get this baby done. So thanks for being patient. We have had so many crazy family things going on. So thank you for your patience and we will keep working at this and we will talk to you later. Bye.